Today we discuss the topic on constructor in Java. So, constructor is a block of a code similar to the method. It is also similar to method. It is a called when an instant of the class is created. At the time of the calling constructor, memory of the object is allocated to the memory. Constructor name is the same as the class name. Then it is a specified type of a method in which is used to initialize the object. Then every time object is created using the new keyword, at least of one constructor is a call is called. Then it calls a default constructor, means when object is created using new keyword, then that time which constructor is created, that this constructor is known as a default constructor. If there is a no constructor available in the class, like an example of in a such case, Java compiler provides default constructor in that time. There are two types of constructor in a Java. One is a no argument constructor and second is a parameter constructor. So it is a called a parameter constructor the values at the time of the object creation. It not necessary to write a constructor of a class. Then some rules of creating a Java constructor, like a constructor must have a name as a same as the class name. The constructor must have no explicit return types, and Java constructor cannot be abstract, static, final, and synchronized. And then types of a Java constructor, there are two types, like first is a default constructor and second is a parameter constructor. So default constructor is also known as a no argument constructor. Then Java default constructor which does not have any parameter. Example of a default constructor, like a class, suppose class bike. It is creating a class bike. In that bike, we write in SISO. Bike is a created. Then we write a main method. In that main method, calling a default constructor bike one. Our class name bike one is equal to new bike. Then out in the output, bike is created. We write in a SISO statement. That is a default constructor. Then second is a purpose of a default constructor is provide the default values to object depending on the types. Then second is a parameter constructor. So Java parameter constructor, it specifies the number of a parameter is called as a parameter constructor. Then purpose of purpose and use of the parameter constructor is used to provide different values to object. Then you can provide the same values also. Example of Java parameter constructor, then we create one class student. In that one variable, like int id and string name, creating a parameter constructor student. Then int I and string n. Then one method, like a void display method. In that method we write a println statement name. So then main class creating object to the passing values. First is a student s1 is equal to new student, then student s2 is equal to new student. That is here we create a object. Then call the method s1 display method and s2 display method. In that output is we write the values in that. So output is id is 1 Amruta and id 2 is Komal. Then constructor overloading. So then another part is a constructor overloading in a Java. Constructor is a constructor is a like as the method. It is also overloaded in a methods. Constructor overloading in a Java, it is a technique to having more one constructor with a different parameter list. So they are arranged in a way to constructor perform a different task. Thank you.